If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on catching your favorite sports teams in action. How to watch Celtics games live on YouTube TV. Are you a Celtics fan eager to catch every dunk, three-pointer, and buzzer beater live? If so, you're in luck. YouTube TV offers a convenient way to stream Celtics games directly to your favorite devices. This guide will walk you through the steps to ensure you never miss a game. First, ensure you have an active YouTube TV subscription. If you haven't subscribed yet, head over to their website and choose the best plan that suits you. YouTube TV offers several channels in its base package, and the great news for Celtics fans is that it includes channels like ESPN, TNT, and NBC Sports Boston, where many NBA games are broadcasted. Once you have your subscription set up, the next step is to customize your channel lineup. Within YouTube TV, you can add your favorite teams, like the Boston Celtics, to your library. This feature allows the platform to notify you about game times and even record games automatically if you can't watch them live. To watch a live game, navigate to YouTube TV's home screen. From there, you can check the live section for games that are being broadcasted in real time. During the NBA season, search for channels that traditionally air Celtics games, such as ESPN or NBC Sports Boston. To enhance your viewing experience, consider adjusting your YouTube TV settings for optimal streaming quality. Ensure your internet connection is strong and stable. You might also want to set the video quality to auto if you experience buffering to allow YouTube TV to adjust the quality based on your internet speed. Finally, keep in mind that blackout restrictions may apply to certain games based on your location. Be sure to check YouTube TV's official support page for more details on game availability in your region.